Hello everyone, Tish here, and I want to take a moment to talk about product application and soaking. Now, we recommend frothing, but we also recommend applying products to the sebaceous areas first. Sebaceous areas are the areas that are kind of lower to the ground with a little less hair, and they tend to absorb more dirts and toxins because dogs are only a couple feet or inches off of the ground. Sebaceous areas include your belly, neck, face, legs, feet, and butt area. Frothing the products helps us with a better application of the product. We're able to manipulate it better opposed to having it in a dilution bottle where it's all watered down and you're just squirting out liquid and not having a foamy consistency, a meringue type consistency that we can apply to the bellies and the underside first. Another question we're asked quite frequently is, will that be enough product? Oh, that can't be enough product. So we hear a lot. And Miss Sophie here, she's an English Cocker, and I'm only using a half a teaspoon of product on her to 1.5 teaspoons of water that's frothed up. Now, that's a big thing that people have a hard time doing is not seeing lots of bubbles and suds on the dogs. You don't need to see bubbles and suds. You're going to see a little here as I rub it into her head and her ears and into her feathering. But we don't need to see a lot. We more want to feel the product through the coat and make sure everything is covered than seeing bubbles. When we see a lot of bubbles, we also have to rinse those bubbles out, which takes a lot longer. And it's kind of a waste of time as well as a big waste of product. With these St. Bernard products, we recommend frothing with a 3-to-1 dilution, meaning 3 parts water to 1 part of product. And this is for the shampoos and the conditioners. The products are also designed for specific coat types and what those coats need. So Miss Sophie here, we use the Mineral H shampoo, and then I use the pH Balance conditioner. The 5-minute soak time or rest time of letting the products sit on for 5 minutes is also very important. During the shampoo stage, this allows the dirt molecules to attach to the cleanser so that when you rinse, you're rinsing all of that dirt and grime and dead skin cells, all of that away from the skin and the coat. Sophie's actually done every 4 weeks, and we'll take a closer look at that water that I just rinsed off in a second here, but she's done every 4 weeks, so she doesn't get as dirty as she could. In some dogs, the water is actually even gross and nasty, more so than what you're gonna see. So here's the water that I just collected a little when I rinsed her. So it's murky, it's gross, I mean there's some hair in there. If you look from the top, you're gonna see some probably dead skin cells and all of that we just rinsed off, and that's from letting it sit for 5 minutes. She also will sit with the conditioner for 5 minutes to let that soak in. But I hope this helps you guys understand why we do what we do.